This penitentiary was closed in 1973 when the inmates were transferred to the new correctional facility south of Boise. The old penitentiary in 1974 was listed on the National Register of Historic Places and opened to the public as a state historic park.
Yo, look at this.
Tuesday's gone with the wind.
Dude, I'm doing a little series here.
That's what?
Tank art series. So sick, little zigzag there, man. Little bicycle horn.
I need that one.
Alright. I love when they use railroad stuff.
The XS650 had the front pegs with kicks.
Oh, that's rad. Oh, it's a little iron. I didn't even realize. Oh shit, Steve.
That one's made out of all wood.
Yeah, the one at the bottom.
Sounds like a scissors. Just the one side of the scissors.
Yep. It's like shaggier than mine, man. Kind of jelly. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of jealous.
And not a very over his bikes. Hit a big lump of cheese.
Look at that seat. Great minds think alike, dude. The West Coast Choppers tonight. Look at that, dude. Wow. That's like really fucking hard to do. That's insane.
This is oil tank?
Yeah, or a spare fuel tank.
Oh, what's up, John?
Good to see
Hey,
you.
what's up, Jay? How's it going, bro? Good, how are you, man?
Oh yeah, of course. Photo shoot. Little scuff. Tough scuff. That is sick. Look at that little cow skull. Oh yeah. Prison tattoos.
I met one of the dudes that's tattooing head.
Really?
Bar, yeah, briefly, kind of.
Smell that's around you.
He's a handful.
Me behind the marks. These are like nice. Oh shit. Let's go.
These fucking Broadway is
Yo. Some clean examples back here. What's up? You guys were at the show last night, weren't you? Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll meet you.
Kimber raffle.
Dude, I thought you were in front of me this whole time.
Win a Kimber.
Oh, look at the little doggy. He's just chilling. Can I take a picture of the dog?
What kind of camera is that?
It's read and zoom 105.
It's film?
Yeah.
Dang, that's cool.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, I'm sorry, dude. Oh, she's sassy. Hey,
I love it. She's so cute. This is sick, dude. I feel like I've seen this bike at every show. Every show we go to. Yeah, it's so tough.
Yeah.
It's definitely making the tank portrait. Oh, there's the crazy like. This is hilarious. Ready to party, dude. The party animal.
Balls or
Yeah. And like dick fucking everything and like coke everything. Little heart chain. So sick.
Playboy bunny?
I love it, dude. This thing's tough. Black lines.
So tedious. Fucking work.
Yeah.
Dude. It's like
The black lines on everything, painted black with everything, it's pretty sick. I didn't notice that before. And then the barbed wire I never noticed on the pipes.
yeah, I didn't notice that.
That's clean. Fuck. I was learning how to do sand casting like this, and but I never built a forge. But every time I see something like that, I'm like, I gotta build a forge.
I want to get something.
Yeah, it's actually surprisingly easy if you have the room for it.
Right.
It's really simple stuff. I mean, people have been doing it since the Stone Age era, you know.
Oh, yeah, the barbed wire.
Yeah,
Like barbed wire.
barbed wire there. Yeah, it's nice little hinty details though. It works with it too, you know. It doesn't like fight the design at all.
I was thinking of doing this on my bike.
The little wing.
Molding.
I didn't want to mold. I was just gonna weld, like tack weld it. Yeah. So I put that on. But I was like,
Oh man, I didn't notice the dual bar too. That's kind of cool. Oops, standing on the thing.
This fucker got 2D last week.
Tough love.
There. Like doing it right now. So if we like bring our bikes in or some shit, I don't know, but when I was looking for you guys to walk around that way, he was like probably open the back fender, so I don't know if he's gonna need a tank. Oh, like pull and change it. No, like it was on a bike right there and he was oh, okay. As far as I know. But that loudest is
Yeah, it will be like the colors of the rainbow in jumpsuits.
We're on work release right now.
Jumpsuit form.
Okay, just kidding. Only at the merch booth. Can't do it everywhere. So you can get your tickets there, and then like I said, we'll do a more fuzzy things. We'll do a drawing. We'll do like a live Instagram drawing tomorrow. Let's say you can't bring beer out. So as you're walking out that last gate, we got some garbage cans there. Make sure you throw those away as you're leaving. Don't take any beer out. Like I said, we got the police patrol one. Also, when you go to leave, they're going to have you turn left instead of going through all the traffic. It's actually a nice ride. You go left, there's no stop signs, but you take your first right, and then you take another right at the roundabout, and that road will just dump you right into downtown Boise. It's actually a nice little ride going out that way.
Yeah.
Smell the bomb though, like when they're
It
doing
was like acetone. Get high.
Oh, it's right there. It's even.
Hey, baby.
The shifter. Look at the shifter in there. It's a little panhead.
dang. That's cool. So, I'm gonna take a photo.
Panhead shift.
Island style.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Can't have a lot of people up there. Can't have a lot of
There's Endangered Animal right in front. Oh, shit.
Get in there, Mitchell.
Available on the website?
Yep.
Like Christy?
I have panhead money. I'm ditching these guys because they all ride Sportsters. Yeah, dude. Once I got my first Kickstart bike, my life is dull now, dude. All these Sportsters and shit, like.